This is problem number 1 on the practice problems for quest number 5. Consider the algebraic fraction x squared plus 2 over x minus 4. A, evaluate x squared plus 2 over x minus 4 for x equals 5. So first, avoid the temptation to start canceling 2 and 4. Maybe that becomes a 2 and that's a 1. X squared and x, maybe it's just an x upstairs. We can't do any of that because we can only cancel when we have multiplication. If this had been x squared times 2 and x times 4, then you can cancel. But we cannot cancel over addition or subtraction. So none of those things can cancel. So this evaluate just means plug in. So all the x's become 5s. On the top, it's 5 squared plus 2. On the bottom, 5 minus 4. Just follow the order of operations and do the arithmetic. I think it's easier to do this without a calculator than to go to the calculator. And we end up getting 27. Part B, evaluate that same fraction for x equals -5. Maybe we're expecting the answer will just be -7. Let's see what happens. So all the x's now become -5. So -5 squared plus 2, -5 minus 4. I am missing something and I'll get the wrong answer if I leave it like that. Even if I type it into the calculator, I'll get the wrong answer. X is -5. That whole x is getting squared. Not as important downstairs, but I'll put them anyway. It didn't make a difference before, but I could have put them up here. Probably safest just to put them every single time. Okay, so then when I do the -5 squared, is the answer 25 or -25? It's positive. 25 plus 2 over -5 minus 4 is -9. 27 over -9 is -3, which wasn't at all the -27 that maybe we were expecting looking at the answer to part A. Finally, part C, for what values of x is x squared plus 2 over x minus 4 undefined? So you know this word undefined means division by 0. So the question is, when does that happen? So all we have to do is take the bottom, x minus 4, and make it equal to 0. Add 4 to both sides to solve for x. We get x equals 4. X equals 4 is the only value for which this fraction is undefined. It seems like we're treating the denominator differently from the top because we didn't even look at the top. You know what? We are. Undefined only has to do with when the bottom is 0. Makes no difference what's upstairs.